So hello guys, my name is Ashmisha and I am today going to tell you how to add a shake effect and a split effect in Capcut. So first you have to upload all your clips in the Capcut. I have put these photos in my Discord. You can go and join it. So we will adjust the black clip and check your clips 10 times. Is it proper? Now first we will do the split transition. First you have to put keyframes. You can do anything, zoom in or zoom out, split transition. I am doing one by one. First zoom in, then zoom out. So we will put all the clips. This is slow. So we will add graphs. I am adding call out graph in everyone in every. You should also put call out graph in every. I have done a little mistake, so I am fixing it. So first, then we will make a freeze frame out of it. Where is it? Duplicate it. Wait. As I do not have freeze frame in this, I am simply going to duplicate it and then remove the keyframes and adjust this like before. Then we are going to switch this in overlay and remove the unwanted part. Why good to put this before our clip, and then we are going to duplicate this. We will we will go to mask now and put the horizontal mask, and I'm going to rotate it in 90 degrees. And now go to the below mask horizontal. Oh, horizontal. Adjust rotate. I'm now going to put this at -90. Now we are going to add a keyframe at the end of this both, and add a keyframe at the starting, and then we are going to the overlay, and we have to go to the transform, advanced, and position, and then we have to make the y-axis like this. We have to make it around full, and here we go to the transform, advanced, and position, and we have to now drag it upwards. -999, and now we will get this move. We are fast. I will also add quorum graph in this. Now we will do this to every clip. We have to now put this in like 0.2 or 3 seconds as you wish. Just because the clip we have to bring this. Now we have to duplicate it and bring it downwards, and go to the mask and click on horizontal. Yes. Now we are going to the mask horizontal. Yes, this and horizontal also this. It worked. And now we will add keyframe at the end of this pose, and at the starting we will also add keyframe to the pose, and go to the transform. Oh, I can click with mirror, and we have to now we will take from the side, and here also go to the transform, advanced, and take it to this side. This side will fully take it to this side, and then now we will get this moment. Oh, so add this keyframe. We'll also add zoom. Okay, how much zoom is this first? We'll check. advanced room 215%. So we will also bring it to 215%. Go to this one, 215%. I did mistake. First it will be here only. Keyframe here. Advanced position. We'll make it go full. If it's not going fully, then you can take it by hand as you have zoomed it. And here, make sure to take it by this builder only. Although now we'll add graph. Oh sorry, we'll add graph. Code out. And here also we'll add code out. And here also duplicate. Remove the keyframes. Make it normal size. Then we have to take it to overlay. Remove the unwanted part. Add it in here. Duplicate it. Bring it to down. Go to mask. Add horizontal mask. Go to rotate, and we'll add a cross one this time. Around 53 degrees or 54. No, 53 is okay. 53 degrees will do its mask. And invert. If it's not invert, then do none. And horizontal, then rotate it till it comes to full. 26 is going. Yes, it's proper. We'll add a keyframe at the ending of the pose. Then go to the starting keyframe, and then we'll take this, go and make this go here. Like this, make this go here. That this it is smooth. We'll add graph. Oh, graph pour out, and we'll do the same to the last one also. We'll duplicate it. We'll take this overlay. Remove unwanted part. Duplicate it. Guys, if you learn to see this, you can just forward the video to go to the shake part. And in this video, I will be doing a glitch shake. We'll go to the rotate, and we'll again 90-degree one. This will be -90. We'll add keyframes to the ending and keyframes to the starting, and then we have to go to the transform, advanced position, and we'll take this here and here, advanced. Wait, to make this smoother look, we have to adjust the keyframes to the same. We have this 469, so we'll also do this 469 minus 469. My Capcut will be a little laggy as I'm screen recording. As now this has got a smoother look. Now we'll add shakes. So first we have to go to the effects, video effects, and take the shake and adjust it a little small. We'll adjust, sorry, we'll put this object to all videos, and then we will add another effect, which will be the, you can go to the glitch section or search, you can go to the glitch section or search fuzzy. And we have to make this one as small as available. We have to make this as small as possible. Then we'll put this object to all videos, and we have to duplicate it. We have to duplicate it 2 times. I only done 1 time. If you like this effect, you can also keep this effect, or we have to now delete these two and go on the adjust. We have to little intensity. We have to decrease its intensity to around 45. I think I should keep it at 45 only. If you like that way, you can keep it that way. And now I teach you another shake. You can choose between one. Now we'll delete this and add another. It is only in the glitch one. There are 2 types of glitch shake. Now you have to search or find panic frequency. Make it as small as possible. It's also nice. If you like a little color, then you can choose the first glitch you can now. And if you do not want the colors, you can use these shake. They are almost the same, but there is a color difference. I forgot to add graphs in these. So I'll re-add quad graphs in all those also. And then we have to all videos and then duplicate it two times. And now you can put this to all. I like this second one. When it becomes, oh sorry, you have to duplicate all this and put it here. Just duplicate it and bring it here. I will speed the video up. Now we put it to now we export it. Now we quickly export it.